Welcome to Tenerife, the crown jewel of the Canary Islands and one of Spain's most enchanting travel destinations. Tenerife is an island that captures the imagination with its rich diversity of landscapes, stunning natural beauty, and exciting opportunities for adventure at every corner. This captivating island is where paradise takes physical form, blending rugged volcanic terrain, golden beaches, and lush green valleys. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat, thrilling outdoor activities, or a cultural deep dive, Tenerife has something for everyone. Let's embark on a journey to discover the wonders of this beautiful island, from its fascinating history to its modern-day attractions. Tenerife is located off the west coast of Africa, approximately 300 kilometers from the shores of Morocco and Western Sahara, making it geographically closer to Africa than to mainland Spain. This unique position gives the island a fascinating blend of African and European influences, with its diverse terrain shaped by volcanic activity and the Atlantic Ocean. From towering mountains to serene beaches, Tenerife offers visitors a landscape that is as varied as it is stunning. Tenerife is often divided into two distinct regions, each with its own unique charm. To the north lies the lush, green paradise known for its fertile valleys, dense forests, and dramatic cliffs. Towns like Puerto De La Cruz, set against a backdrop of rolling hills and stunning coastal views, showcase the more tranquil, traditional side of the island. This part of Tenerife is known for its agricultural heritage, producing bananas, wine, and other local delicacies. In contrast, the southern region is characterized by its arid landscape and sunny climate. The south is the island's tourism hub, with bustling resorts like Playa de las Americas and Los Cristianos, where golden sandy beaches stretch for miles, inviting sun seekers from around the globe. These areas are synonymous with lively nightlife, entertainment, and endless recreational activities. Thanks to its microclimate, Tenerife's south coast enjoys nearly year-round sunshine, making it a favorite destination for travelers seeking warmth and relaxation. Tenerife's volcanic origins are apparent in its dramatic landscapes. One of the island's most striking features is its black sand beaches, formed by volcanic rock. These unique beaches, such as Playa Jardín and Playa de la Arena, offer a stark contrast to the sparkling turquoise waters of the Atlantic Ocean, creating a mesmerizing visual experience for visitors. The island's most iconic feature is undoubtedly Mount Teide, a dormant stratovolcano that stands at 3,718 meters, making it the highest peak in Spain and the tallest point in the Atlantic. Located within Teide National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Mount Teide dominates the landscape with its majestic presence. Visitors can hike or take a cable car to its summit, where they're rewarded with breathtaking views of the surrounding islands and volcanic craters. The unique geology of the park has also made it a hotspot for stargazing, with its clear skies offering some of the best views of the night sky in Europe. Long before European explorers set sail, Tenerife was home to the Guanche people, believed to have migrated from North Africa. These indigenous inhabitants left behind a legacy of fascinating cultural artifacts and traditions that still influence the island today. The Guanches were skilled farmers and hunters, living in caves and small villages scattered across the island. Their culture persisted for centuries, leaving behind cave paintings, mummified remains, and legends that still captivate visitors today. In the 15th century, Tenerife's peaceful existence was interrupted by the arrival of Spanish conquistadors. The Guanches, though valiant and determined, were no match for the invaders' advanced weaponry and military strategies. After a series of fierce battles, Tenerife fell under Spanish rule, marking a pivotal moment in the island's history. This conquest forever altered Tenerife's cultural landscape, as Spanish settlers introduced new customs, languages, and architectural styles that continue to shape the island. One of the most significant developments in Tenerife's post-conquest history came in the 19th century with the rise of the banana industry. The island's fertile volcanic soil, combined with its subtropical climate, made it an ideal location for banana cultivation. Tenerife quickly became one of the world's leading banana exporters, and the fruit remains an important part of the island's economy today. The 1960s and 1970s saw the beginning of a new era for Tenerife as it developed into a major tourist destination. The construction of modern infrastructure, including airports, highways, and resorts, laid the groundwork for mass tourism. With its stunning beaches, reliable climate, and world-class amenities, Tenerife soon became a favorite getaway for Europeans and international travelers. At the heart of the island lies Santa Cruz de Tenerife, the bustling capital city. With a population of around 200,000, it is the second largest city in the Canary Islands. Santa Cruz is a vibrant mix of old-world charm and modern attractions, offering visitors a unique blend of culture, history, and entertainment. The city is famous for its annual Carnival of Santa Cruz de Tenerife, one of the largest and most colorful celebrations in the world, drawing crowds from all corners of the globe. Santa Cruz is also home to some architectural marvels, such as the striking Auditorio de Tenerife, designed by renowned architect Santiago Calatrava. Visitors can explore the city's lush Garcia Sanabria Park, with its exotic gardens and sculptures, or relax at the golden sands of Playa de las Teresitas. For those seeking adventure off the beaten path, the remote village of Masco offers a glimpse into Tenerife's rugged, untouched beauty. Tucked away in the Teno Mountains, Masco was once a refuge for Guanche warriors. Its secluded location and challenging access have helped preserve the village's authenticity, making it a hidden gem for intrepid hikers and nature love. On Tenerife's western coast, the awe-inspiring Los Gigantes cliffs rise dramatically from the Atlantic Ocean, reaching heights of up to 600 meters. These towering cliffs, shaped by volcanic activity over millions of years, are a testament to the island's geological history. From various viewpoints along the coast or on boat tours, visitors can marvel at the sheer magnitude of these natural wonders. The waters surrounding the cliffs are teeming with marine life, offering excellent opportunities for snorkeling, diving, and dolphin watching. One of Tenerife's most historically significant towns is San Cristobal de la Laguna, which was the island's original capital. Founded in 1496, La Laguna boasts a beautifully preserved historic center that showcases a harmonious blend of Canarian, Gothic, Renaissance, and neoclassical architecture. In 1999, the city was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in recognition of its cultural and architectural importance. Puerto De La Cruz, located in the Orotava Valley, is one of the island's oldest tourist destinations. The town is known for its stunning volcanic landscapes, historic charm, and beautiful botanical gardens. Puerto de la Cruz has long attracted artists and writers, including the famous Agatha Christie, who found inspiration here for some of her works during a visit in 1927. Stay tuned for more travel insights and adventures with DSV Travel Trip. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for your dose of travel inspiration.